Hello everybody. The other day I was in Sam's Club and making a video. My battery died right in the middle of the video, so I showed you my haul when I got home. So we're back and I'm going to show you some stuff at the store. They've got this kickboxing thing that was $20 off, now down to 10, ages 6 plus, and my grandson's birthday is coming up. I'm getting that for him. Got a lot of deals on toys that were here for Christmas, and now they just want to get rid of them. Really frustrates me if I buy something at Christmas and then I come and see that it's on special. I actually just got this drum kit a few days ago. I paid $7 more for it, but they're out of it, so I'm glad I got it when I did. Nice deal if you're shopping for a little girl. And they've got some inline skates that are only $5 off, but that's still not a bad deal. Too small for my big-footed grandson, though. They're getting out a lot of their summer gardening type things. We stocked up last year on these at Walmart. Got like a couple of these for $5, I think it was. Definitely, I do not need a new water hose. Yeah, a lot of nice gardening stuff. I'll get to the food in a minute. They've got these like fast acting lime things and stuff like that. I have actually found that the local feed store or farm store, not Tractor Supply, more like a mom and pop type feed store, is the best place to get your large quantities of gardening supplies. Like I was getting my perlite at the pole store, but now I actually get it at the feed store. It's like $5 cheaper per bag. We use these insulated carry bags. Really like them. And I have noticed though that the prices have jumped considerably. When I first started getting them, they were $5.98, and now they're $7.98. Big price jump there. This is one of the things that I love, my toe warmers. This 16-pack here is $10.98. I try to get it shipped. They don't ship that. I don't need any right now. Here we have the 36 pair of hand warmers for $15. And 2-pack 30 and 50 cal ammo shotguns or storage case. But they're made in China. $13 if you don't mind the Chinese stuff. And this looks interesting. Bug assault pest control device. I think you shoot salt water at them? I don't know how that works. That's interesting though. And they don't have their flashlights on clearance. 2,000 lumen flashlight, rechargeable, that's nice, is $35. And we have a folding wagon with a table. With a table? Okay, $65. I think that's a bit high. That's it right there. Here's a 3-pack LED flashlights, 400 lumens. I'll watch these. They should go on clearance sometime soon. And if they drop down to $10, I'll probably stock up on those. And they have a 10 by 10 canopy on clearance. I don't feel like $20 off $150 is actually a clearance, but hey. I got one of these really nice river shirts for my son the last time I was here, and I didn't get blue. They didn't have blue in his size. I think I got him green, that green right there. And they actually run a little big, it looks like. Are marked like 35. I paid $16. I like this. This is a rubber boot tray. Keep your boots in from getting muddy or wet. You see they use it for plants. They use it for dogs. That's only $12.98, and that looks pretty heavy duty rubber. And it's not made in China, made in India. That's not bad. Here's a nice book selection. And they usually have some good prices, but even before I buy them here, I check them real quick on Amazon. They're usually cheaper on Amazon. However, magazines and periodicals like that are about 30% off here, so it's nicer to buy those here. I showed you this the other day. Hey Cheryl, if you're watching, this is what I was talking about. Not Henry, but Harry. Let's see if this is a good deal or not. No, actually it's not. You can buy cards that have been used in the casinos, but at the dollar store. So 12 decks of cards, unless you need them to be brand new, that's not a good deal. I've already got my my weekly agenda for this year, but I'll tell you what, if I'd have seen this Bob Ross one first, I'd have got it. I just love Bob Ross. I really do. Yep, happy little sky, happy little clouds. Oh, look at that. We do no sketching. We let this flow right out of our heart onto the canvas. Oh. Oh. Miss you, Bob. And here's the clothing section. They're starting to put a little bit of these on clearance, but I don't know. I don't kind of call like a 7% drop really a clearance price. To me, clearance starts when it hits 50%, but that's just me. Oh, now that bright purple and blue, that catches my eye. I really like that. Wonder if my husband would wear that. Oh, I'm gonna have to show it to him. He'll just say, no, I have enough shirts, and he actually prefers green. So I found the husband. No, I didn't get your text. It took me forever in that customer service line. He has our water stock up. I would have gotten more, especially with such a large place to put it, but that's okay. Oh, he's getting black olives. We're going to have to check the price on those to see if they're actually a good deal. And he got a pack of batteries. And what I'm going to tell him about getting one pack of batteries is they're $5 off if you buy two. So you're going to have to get a second pack of batteries. And you need a D, and I didn't get you Ds. So, okay. I'm going to pause you again. We're going to go find what we came for, and we have to find this cheese, Old Crock cheese. So here I found some mushrooms, and they are 24 ounces for $4. Or you can get 16 ounces for $3. I would not get that here because Aldi always has a pound of mushrooms for 99 cents to $1.30. So, I mean, I guess you could if you wanted. Why did we walk over here? He said he loves his mushrooms. If you haven't tried these cheeses, yeah, these soups, they're really good. This loaded baked potato is good. I love this broccoli cheddar. $7.68 for two of those. This lobster bisque is amazing, but they all have too many carbs for me now. And there it is. I found the cheese that was hiding. Wow, that's pretty expensive. $8 for 13 ounces. But heck, at Whole Foods I was paying, what, 20 bucks a pound for cheese? And this stuff was amazing. My daughter bought this. Oh yeah, I'm stocking up on that. I'm actually gonna get 3. 2 for us, 1 for her, because she said she needs a new one also. And here's hoping my husband doesn't see this Gouda snack cheese, because yeah, I think he'll probably be getting that, so I'll just steer him away from there. Well, while I'm waiting for him who lost me, I will show you that black grapes are $6 for 3 pounds. Not for me, they're not. Look at those amazing size of those grapes. 3 pounds for $8. So I found him, and he has something else. Fresh mozzarella cheese and prosciutto and basil roll. That looks great. How much? $8. So $8.98, because you always drop off the cents. Hey, look, I didn't want you to see these right here. That. These snack cheeses right here. Oh, good. Okay. So we're coming to the other side. Here's some string cheese. 28, 45 calorie sticks is on sale for $6.28. How many ounces? 21 ounces. I would get that, but I'm already getting enough snack cheese. Oven roasted turkey breast. I prefer dark meat. Not fond of turkey, but 22 ounces. That's a pound and 6 ounces, and it's $7.98. So I'm kind of wondering, like, wouldn't it be better just to make a turkey and clean it off and, you know, use that? So this spinach artichoke dip looks good. It is a rich and creamy dip made with cream cheese, spinach, artichoke, and a blend of 4 cheeses. And 2 carbs, which isn't that bad. 2 carbs for 2 tablespoons. So 1 carb per tablespoon. That's not actually bad. And how much is that? Is 32 ounce for $6.98. Do you want to try this? Do you like this? Look at this. No, they don't have small anything here. He said he doesn't like artichokes. There's this smoked Gouda pimento dip. I don't think he likes pimentos, but it's $8.98 for 32 ounces. And he said, oh, I'll take that. 32 ounces of fresh onion dip for $3.98. I don't know. And it's okay carb-wise, except there's sugar, no fiber, but I don't know. What? What is this one? Buffalo chicken dip. Bet you it has sugar in it, because then it would be, I would think. No, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all, if you want to try that. Are we getting that spinach artichoke dip?
You want to try it?
Oh, this one looks good too. Looks like I'm into the artichoke day. Jalapeno artichoke. Oh my gosh, 24 ounces, $6. Oh my gosh, I want to try this one too. Ah, man. Oh, what is this? Raspberry chipotle? Wow. We need to have a party. Oh, that's a lot of carbs, a lot of sugar, so we'll skip that one. We need to have a party so we can buy all these gifts. I just bought, that's actually good for your lunch. These are
for Nick.
Well, yeah, so we wouldn't have to buy the avocados, but I just bought some guacamole, so we don't need that. We could get that because he's coming again, but let me see.
So this isn't bad?
No, that was actually okay. This right here, guacamole, my grandson eats an avocado almost every morning when he's at my house, and sometimes he'll have one for a snack. So when you know that when you buy them, they go bad so quickly. So this would actually probably save me money. 36 ounces for $10. Is this a smaller one? Oh, like a whole big pack. That's a 3-pack of large. But this is one time I don't mind paying for convenience, because guacamole, once it hits the air, is going to start going bad. Let me just make sure this is only avocado. Avocado, vinegar, jalapeno peppers. Oh my gosh, yeah. This has onion and garlic in it. He's fine with those. It's from Mexico. What do you think of that? But aren't avocados from Mexico? Would you buy them? Yeah, that's true. It's not processed. We like our food to be processed in the United States just because of the, you know, things that have, the recalls we've had with different foods coming from Mexico. And we definitely don't buy anything from China either. So this hummus is 32 ounces for $5. I really don't feel like that's a good deal. I feel like at Walmart they've got hummus for $2. Okay, here you go. Here's another super convenience item. You get cage-free hard-boiled eggs, $7.98, and you get 2 dozen eggs. That's 31 cents each. I don't know if that's 31 cents per 2-pack or per egg, but you know what? We just bought eggs for 99 cents a dozen. That's $2. I'll hard boil them and save that $5.50. But if you're eating healthy and you are in a rush or working lots of hours, then yeah, go ahead and get that so that you aren't tempted to eat badly, or take one day a week and do your prep for the week. Here's some chicken salad, 40 ounces for $12. Let's check out some seafood, and then I'm going to bring this to an end here. We've got lobster tails for $26 a pound. I am not a lobster person. I don't like it. My sister could sit down and eat 4 of those. I've not seen it, but I've heard it. Crab legs, no, yeah, $25 a pound. I could do some crab legs, but I kind of don't prepare them myself because they are a lot cheaper to go to a place when they have an all-you-can-eat crab leg special. which then they're probably from Mexico or farmed or something, and I'm violating every eating rule I have. Here's a seafood mix, 3 pounds for $12. It has squid, mussels, shrimp, and surimi. Okay, yeah, I would pass on that. Squid and mussels, no. Tilapia, whole, gutted, and scaled. 4 pounds for $10. Okay, but I'm not that big into tilapia. And I got another 4-pound bag of tilapia, frozen farmed raised for $13.98. Sea scallops, wild caught, pound and a half, 22, which is 15 a pound. I do really, really like scallops. Sam's an excellent cook, and he just made us some scallops to go with that gumbo he made. Oh, it was amazing. Jumbo, raw, easy peel shrimp. Ugh. $7 a pound is a pretty good price. Farm raised, I would skip them. I don't like farm raised if I can help it. And we've got 3 pounds for $20. It's cooked, farm raised also. And then we've got cocktail shrimp cooked, and it's $6.60 a pound as well, $16.98. All right, guys, that seafood section is done. There's another seafood section on the other side. I'll do that real quick, and then this is over. So here we've got oysters for $8, 50 cents an ounce. Lump crab meat, $23. It says an ounce. Yeah, I don't think that's correct. I think they mean a pound. It's $22 for a pound. Yeah, that's incorrect. Imitation crab meat, 2 pounds, is $6. We've got a pound of salmon for $13.98. I think it's $9.98 a pound at Aldi usually. Flame roasted smoked salmon, $11.98 for 0.62 pounds, almost 20 a pound. Sockeye salmon and honey smoked salmon, $20 a pound and $15 a pound respectively. I like salmon, I just don't like it a lot. I like mackerel. Okay. Salmon flakes, roasted salmon flakes, $13 a pound. Cod, oh yes, I love cod also. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh, $8 a pound, and it's wild caught, and if you buy 8 packs, you get another $30 off. They don't even have 8 packs. Well, unless, yeah, there we go, that was caught. Oh, and that's catfish. Whoa. No, I'm not eating a catfish, I don't like it. It's $7 a pound. Sockeye salmon, $12 a pound. The ahi tuna, oh, my son John was the first one who ever made me a tuna steak. He did it so well. He was also a very good cook. And then we've got more tilapia fillets. And then the last thing is a steelhead trout. Oh my. Yeah, I think I would eat that. $7 a pound. Or maybe I'll just have my son Michael go catch me one. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Sorry that it's so super long. And you wouldn't believe the people that stare at you when you're talking to your phone. Okay. What did you prep today? Do you like Sam's Club? Are these good or bad deals compared to your area? And be blessed.